Okay, I'm going to attempt to clean out the dishwasher. And I can't grab the knobby thingy that I think I need. So I'm going to try to pull it apart. We'll see how this goes. Okay. Let's see. If I grab this, right? Oh, shoot, I broke it. Okay. So it's got to come straight out then. If it doesn't turn, it's got to just like come out, right? Hey, I think I got it. Oh! Maybe. What happened? Well, whoever did this put it in wrong. Okay. Hey, I got it. None of these big ones are working to turn the little thing. So I'm going to try. I found these little things, but I can't. I think I found the attachment they go to. Ooh, I found it. Okay. I found it. So I need this. But now I need the attachment it goes to. I don't think that attachment works. Alright. Step 2, get attachment. Okay, I'm kind of figuring this out. I'm starting to unscrew these screwy thingies. Oh, those are kind of gross. Okay, let's see if I can do this one too. I think maybe I can do this. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew these. Check it out. Look at me. Alright. So far I've only like broken a little bit of a piece of knob, so it's not too bad. Sweet! Alright, now this is gonna be scary. Alright. Let's see. So what did I just unscrew? Because nothing's still moving. Man! Okay. This should just come up, right? Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Maybe this stuff is like underneath. Watch, I'm doing it all wrong. Oh, my hands are so gross. Oh man, do I gotta undo these too? That'd be a bummer. Alright, here we go. Okay, so I'm kind of taking apart my dishwasher because I want to clean it out and clean out the little screen thingies. So I've taken some of it apart using some of Joe's tools and some stuff I gotta clean in the sink. But I can't figure out how to take that plate out. And while I was taking off the bottom of the dishwasher, down here, I actually found the instructions. But I still can't figure out how to do it. So I'm trying to take apart my dishwasher right now so I can clean it. But I'm not having much success. So Joe, you may have to help me at some point, but I'm not giving up. I'm gonna take it apart.